The ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Workshop of the Eritrean Chemical Society. Eye surgery on 439 nationals in the Amhara hospital. Russia presumably a British inspection plane. U.S. forces repel Middle East attacks. On our local news, Eritrean Chemical Society held its 11th Congress on 20th October in Asmara under the theme Enhancing the Role of Chemistry in the Society. Speaking at the occasion, Mr. Petros Hailemariam, representative of the Ministry of Education, noting that members of the Eritrean Chemical Society are from various educational and service provision institutions, and he expressed his expectation that they will play a formidable role in socio-economic development of the country. Mr. Petros also expressed the Ministry of Education's readiness to collaborate closely with the Eritrean Chemical Society. Numerous research papers on physical and chemical organic fertilizers, guaranteeing water capacity in Amadir and Shahawad Bisrat, frequenting iodine, diseases caused by iodine deficiency, and other topics were presented at the workshop. Presenters of the research papers discussed on the significance of setting up forums of this kind and advanced public awareness and placing chemical experts in organizational where their expertise could be useful. The association's chairman, Dr. Aaron Haile Mikael, urged the members to contribute to the growth of the association's financial capability, noting that organization has been closely collaborating with the numerous organizations and associations since the founding of the participating in the process of the building the nation. 10 members of the executive committee were also elected by the Congress for 4-year terms. With its founding in 1993, the Eritrean Chemical Society now has 150 active members. Eye surgery in cooperation with the Sudanese ophthalmologist team Al-Basir and medical team from southern region has performed commendable eye surgery on 439 patients in the Amhara hospital. Of the program that was conducted from 1st to 8th October, out of about 2,000 patients that were provided eye treatment surgery has been conducted on 349 patients, indicating that the hospital is equipped with modern surgical facilities coupled with professional commendable eye surgery has been conducted as a result of ophthalmologist Dr. Yosef Takhle, medical director of the hospital, expressed appreciation for Ms. Amnas Nur Hussein, Minister of Health, for observing firsthand the program and encouraging the medical teams. Mr. Alam Zakarias, head of the National Blindness Control, said that similar eye surgeries have been performed in Karen and Barantu and has significantly contributed in ensuring the health of the beneficiaries. Dear viewers, we'll be back with the international news shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Russian Defense Ministry released a video on Friday, October 20th, of seemingly a British inspection plane in sky above the Black Sea. Russians scrambled 2 Su-77 fighter jets on Thursday, October 19, to prevent 3 British military planes from entering Russian airspace over the Black Sea, the Russian Defense Ministry said. It said the Russian fighters were sent to intercept 3 air targets approaching the border and identified them as RC-135 inspection aircrafts and 2 Typhoon fighter jets. It was not clear how closely the plane had come to each other. The Black Sea has become an increasingly important theater on the war between Russia and Ukraine, now nearing the end of the 20th month. President Vladimir Putin said on Wednesday that he has ordered Russian planes armed with Kinzhal hypersonic missiles to patrol over the Black Sea. On our last news, United States forces are facing increasing threats, raising concerns that the Israeli-Hamas war may spill over across the region. Drones and missiles were launched at bases hosting U.S. troops in Iraq on Thursday. The attack helped put Washington on heightened alert for activity by Iran-backed armed groups following similar incidents in Iraq and Syria on Wednesday, while the U.S. warship intercepted missiles potentially heading towards Israel. President Joe Biden has sent naval power to the Middle East in the past 2 weeks, including 2 aircraft carrier and other warships, about 2,000 Marines. There has been an uptick of the attack on the U.S. forces since the conflict in Israel broke out on October 7th, when Palestinian fighters from Hamas, the armed group that ruled Gaza, attacked the southern Israel. Earlier this week, U.S. forces disillusioned multiple drones targeting the troops. On Wednesday, a drone hit the UN forces in Syria, resulting in minor injuries, while another was brought down. During a false alarm in Ain al-Assad air base in Iraq, a civilian contractor died from cardiac arrest. However, on Thursday, drones and rockets targeted a base with hosts U.S. and other international forces in western Iraq. Multiple blasts were heard inside the base. Dear viewers, we have come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Workshop of the Eritrean Chemical Society. Eye surgery on 439 nationals in the Kamara hospital. Russia presumably a British inspection plane. U.S. forces repel Middle East's attacks. That is all with our local and international news. Dear viewers, thanks for watching and have a good night.